Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on October 29, the execution of Sir Walter Raleigh 1618. On October 29, 1618, Sir Walter Raleigh, the famous English explorer and writer, was executed in London after being accused of plotting against King James I, once a trusted figure under Queen Elizabeth I. Raleigh's fortunes changed after her death. His final years were filled with failed expeditions and political trouble. His death marked the end of England's age of bold exploration and discovery, leaving behind a legacy both heroic and tragic. The premiere of Don Giovanni by Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart 1787. On October 29, 1787, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart's opera Don Giovanni premiered in Prague. This groundbreaking masterpiece mixed humor, drama, and the supernatural in a daring new way. The story of the charming but doomed Don Giovanni fascinated audiences and challenged opera traditions. Today, it remains one of the most celebrated and powerful operas in history. The Republic of Turkey is proclaimed 1923. On October 29, 1923, the Republic of Turkey was officially proclaimed, ending more than 6 centuries of Ottoman rule. Led by Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, the new nation embraced modernization through reforms in law, education, and government. This historic transformation laid the foundation for a democratic and secular state, celebrated every year as Turkey's Republic Day. Black Tuesday, the stock market crashed 1929. On October 29, 1929, panic struck Wall Street as millions of shares were sold in a single day, causing the U.S. stock market to collapse. The crash wiped out billions of dollars and triggered the Great Depression, one of the darkest economic periods in history. It remains a powerful reminder of how quickly financial confidence can vanish. The Safsaf Massacre in Galilee 1948. On October 29, 1948, during the Arab-Israeli War, Israeli forces captured the Palestinian village of Safsaf in Galilee as part of Operation Hiram. After the surrender, around 50 to 70 villagers were reportedly killed in what became known as the Safsaf Massacre. The event remains a painful reminder of the human cost of war and conflict. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.